Dear students, it's me, Jinimis. ഞാനൊരു സ്ലൈഡ് നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. You might have seen that. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു ഓഡിയോ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാണ്. If you have any difficulties, please inform me. Okay. Our topic is market structure and perfect competition. What is a market? A market is a collection of buyers and sellers that through their actual or potential interactions determine the price of the product or a set of products. And what is market structure? The term market structure refers to a type of market in which the firm operates. There are different dimensions regarding this market structure. First one is number of sellers. In some market, there will be only a single seller. But in other types of market, like oligopoly, monopolistic competition, perfect competition, there are different types of sellers, few sellers, many sellers, large sellers, etc. And second dimension of market structure is number of buyers. It may be large numbers, small numbers, and or a single buyer. And third dimension is nature of product. In some market, for example, perfect competition, there is a homogeneous product. But in other types of market like monopolistic competition, the product may be not identical, it may be differentiated product. And fourth point is conditions of entry. In some market, firms can freely enter to the market, but in other case, there will be a restrictions to the entry. Next, different types of market. First one is pure competition. In pure competition, the main feature is large number of firms are producing homogeneous product. Means there will be a large number of firms and homogeneous product. And second point is pure monopoly. In a pure monopoly, only a single firm selling a commodity. There is no close substituted for that commodity. And third type of market is duopoly. In duopoly market, there will be only two sellers. In oligopoly market, the main feature of the oligopoly is only few sellers. Next type of market is monopsony. It's a market with only one buyer. And next duopsony, only two buyers in that market. And oligopsony, few buyers in the market. And next is monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition characterized by large number of firms producing differentiated product. And next is monopsonic competition, many buyers of differentiated product. What is the difference between a firm and an industry? A firm is an entity that purchases various factors and transforms them into outputs that are sold. Industry is a group of firms that sell the same or closely related goods or services. One of the market is perfect competition. What is a perfect competition? A market is said to be perfectly competitive when each firm has zero market power. The main characteristics are large number of buyers and sellers. So no one can influence the market prices under perfect competition. And second point is homogeneous product. All the firms in a perfect competitive industry sell a homogeneous product. And third characteristics is freedom of entry and exit. New firm can enter into the industry anytime and can leave the industry, and there is no restrictions in the entry and exit. And fourth point is profit maximization. The objective of the firms under perfect competition is maximize the profit. And next is absence of government regulation. The restrictions on price, output, entry and similar factors are free in perfect competitions. Absence of collusion. The firms act as independently in perfect competition, so there is no collusion among buyers and sellers. And next is price takers. Firms are price takers and industry is the price maker. And next point is absence of selling cost. Since product is identical, no producer has anything to gain by advertising a product. So, under perfect competition, there will not be selling cost or advertisement cost. And next is perfect knowledge. Buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about the market. And last point is perfect mobility of factors of production. Factors of productions are free to move from one firm to another under perfect competition. Thank you.